silver closed the month in a doji. You can see the movement getting narrowed here after a massively swingful month, last to last month. We have seen now the price is staying in zone. Yet what to expect from silver in the month of June? Are we looking forward for this bearishness to continue? As you can notice the trend here, rise retracement, couple of green, couple of red, couple of green. Are we, and see similar formation here. Look at the symmetry here. So this could be first red and green, this could be the symmetry, and then we could expect this. So are we looking forward to a move towards 29 or 28, or it is going to break out here on the upwards towards 34 and 35? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading silver in the month of June and in the coming week? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. Here I am not only going to give you the trading levels towards the end of the update, but also going to give you the reason behind each and every level, why it is important. And this is the only channel to give you twice a day updates and targets for silver. First with the Asia and Europe session, I provide you the analysis, and next with the US session. To get the notification, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share and comment, which is a great motivation. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Now, let's start with the monthly chart. On the monthly charts, I have shared this trend. See, this is how silver has been trading. 3 green, 3 red. Couple of green, couple of red. Now, this I see in series and this now I see in series. So, a possible red candle cannot be denied. On the upside, at least till towards 34 and $35 zone, you should be careful with the buys. Hitting the double top also, prices might reverse. That is the first point. Second, the candle is yet to close here. We will still have a couple of hours towards the beginning of next week where the futures start to open, starts to trade. Then after a couple of hours this candle will close, so possibility exists that it can try to close somewhere here at around 32 60 70 zone. Possibility exists. Even if it closes at around 32.80, this will be a good indication that the next month is possibly going to deliver a red candle. Now remember the trend here, we have seen this green red similar, and then this one should appear. So higher lows here and higher highs. Now, there are a couple of channels in place here. See, first of all, it has kissed the 20 period moving average and it is trying to trade in this nice flag formation. And then you can see this one here. So I will say now support level till towards 31 is going to be pretty strong for silver here. If you see it is staying below $31 levels, you can say more bearishness should prevail in the month of June, where we will aim for 29.50 and 28.80 levels. Also notice, look at these, none of the candles close below 28.80, 29. Also see rise retracement, retracement. So possibility of a move towards 28.80, 29 cannot be denied. Also the 20 period and the median of the Bollinger Bands are sitting here. So this makes this zone as the critical support zone. At least till towards 28, it has got a very, very good support. Next thing here is, look at the movement, straight bullish candles, then the retracement, rise, then consolidation or retracement, rise, and it is still maintaining this bullish flag formation. So it is not yet confirming a reversal. When you look at the monthly stochastic, this is rising. It is still scope for further up move. And if you see the MACD, this is almost at the extremes here. It is also trading with divergence. And look at the candle sizes diminishing. This suggests that possibility of a crossover cannot be denied. Let's watch out. The next couple of months are going to remain important. RSI almost staying flat here, not indicative much. Coming to the weekly chart. On the weekly charts, look at the 20 period. It is offered a very, very good support so far, and does 32 and 31.65. Two key support levels, and on the upside 32, 40, 50. Three key supports here exist for silver to break below. Only and only if you see it staying below 32 and 31.65, we can expect a greater correction. Now, when you look at the move for the last few weeks, see the drop, the retracement, then the drop, then the retracement. Double top is formed and now it is waiting for a breakout move. It is possible that it might come down towards 32 and 31.65 in the coming week, and then possibly next to next week is where it might try to take a sharper day. However, not necessarily. Second thing here is, if you connect like this, you can say this is a nice bearish flag formation. The lows here are all the way towards $28 level. But there are greater hurdles to breach, first at 32, 31.65, then 30.50, then 29.80 and 28.80. Very, very good support exists at this zone. It is still maintaining the long-term channel. This is the long-term channel here. This is at the median, and the highs here are way above towards 37. A breach beyond 35 any point of time in the coming week, in the coming month, if silver stays beyond 35, no other option is stay bullish for the next few months. We are going to hit $37 levels. A stochastic looking downwards, that's a slight bearish sign, and the MACD almost staying flat, not indicative of any direction here. The RSI is also staying flat. Coming to daily chart, now see on the daily charts what we had seen, same on the weekly charts what we had seen is same is getting replicated. Notice the preceding times 20, 50, 100 offered it a very good support. Notice this time the 20 and 50 period offering it a very, very good support. See, the candles are yet to close below 20 period, means we have to wait for it to trade below 32.80 and then 32.40 levels. Once these two levels are taken, you can say once 32.40 is taken, you can expect it to move all the way towards 32. Now, what we had seen on the weekly charts, look at the charts here on the daily time frame. Drop, retracement, drop, retracement, double top here, and now once it trades below 32 and 31.65, the space on the downside is wide open. And if you look at the move here for the last week, see, first of all, the resistance on the upside towards 33.50.70, I have mentioned last week also 33.50.70 should offer a greater resistance. Precisely, it has reversed from the same zone. Bearishness increasing here, then the bounce back, and then now looking downward. So yes, a closer below 32.80.70 should confirm the next move towards 32.50.40 and then 32.20 and 32. Below 32, more bearishness should prevail. Stochastic looking downwards, this is again a sign of bearishness. When you look at MACD almost staying flat, it is not yet crossed over for sell. I will wait for this crossover in order to confirm a further downtrend. And the RSI is also staying bearish. This is one of the bearish signs here. Coming to the last one, the 4-hour chart. And see, before we proceed to the 4-hour chart, see how easily in just under a few minutes we have analyzed the complete charts, and we have also understood a particular importance of a particular price. You can also learn this art of trading by joining my 33rd mentorship batch starting 11th of June. Do not miss to register for it. Connect with me for your queries related to the services. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And if you're looking forward to just trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. For your queries related to the services, you can write an email or ping me on Telegram. And once you have your trades in place, it is very, very important for you to have a safe place to trade. The trusted partner which can offer you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the trusted partner link in the channel and video description. Now look at the 4-hour charts. See, couple of breaches here towards 32.80.70 zone, but failing to do so, we have seen it bouncing back. Also, notice the movement here. This is how it has been trading. The support from 100 period is pretty strong. Lower highs are seen and almost a flat bottom. So now, if you see silver trading below 32.80.70 in the coming week, stay short for 32.50.40, and then 32.20, and then 32. Below 32 is where the bears are waiting. Now see, moving averages have started to converge. These have not yet crossed over, and we are talking about this level. So if you see it is staying below 32, we can wait for 31.65, 31.50, and if that is taken, then 31, 30.50, and in fact $30 levels it will breach very, very soon. Below 30, we can expect the month of June gonna remain bearish. You can expect 28.80, 29 as the first target zone, 28, 28, 20 as the second. Stochastic almost placed comfortably at the bottom. The MACD is sharp, divergence and bearish looking downwards. And the RSI is also dropped here. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. See, as an analyst, we have to understand the importance and we have to understand the levels at which the trend might reverse, or you can consider this as a bullish or bearish. You have to listen to both the perspective with the same bias and then take your trades accordingly. If I give you my bias, I think you will be influenced. I do not want you to get influenced. Thus, take a logical call and trade with the trend. Also friends, your every like, comment, share and subscribe is a great motivation for me. So now first let's talk about the levels to buy. 33, 20, 30, first target zone. You can buy here, expect 33, 50, 60. This is gonna offer a maximum resistance, then 33, 70, 80. All are nearby, but you cannot avoid this. We have seen it getting these resistances from these levels. Beyond this, stay bullish for 34.10, 34.45, 34.75 and 3500 levels. Now, if it breaches 3500 any point of time in the coming week or next few weeks in the month of June, you can stay bullish. This time we will be looking forward to 36 and 37.2 levels. 37.20, you can place it like this. 37.20, yes, it's possible. Once it trades beyond 35, the bullishness is going to prevail. The bulls are going to drive the prices here. Now from 33 to 37, it's just 12 to 13% rise. And see, this is silver. It can do wonders. In one day, it can do this for you. Yes, it can hike by 6 to 7%. But right now, I say it is going to remain difficult for silver to give such a breakout on the upside. Be mindful of this. This is out of my bias and my expectation as per charts. The up move is going to get difficult here. On the downside, where you should sell, I will only recommend you to sell here at 3270 levels or 3270 80 levels. Then expect 32 50 40 as the next, 32 20 as the third, and then 32. If it stays below 32, the bearishness will increase. You can look forward to 3160, 3125, and then 31. Below 31, stay bearish for 3050 and then 30. Very critical. 30 is the crucial support. Below 30, we are looking forward to 29, 20, 28, 80 levels very soon. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading month of June, a profitable week and a happy week. Thank you.